Using the ELA Blueprints from myoer.org. Welcome back. For this video, I am only going to focus on the blueprints in myoer, specifically the ELA Common Core Standards. So, go to the web address myoer.org. This will take you to the home page. Hover over the Tools area, then select Blueprints. This will take you to a new tab on your browser of the South Dakota Common Core website. Along the left-hand side are areas to visit: Home, Frequently Asked Questions, Disaggregated Standards, College and Career Readiness Anchor Standards, and Suggested Blueprints. This is what we want. Notice it is divided into the two areas of ELA and Math. Let's start with the first one, ELA Overview and Checklists. Now, I love the explanations that are given here for checklists, blueprints, and ELA Grade Level Focus KUD. These resources serve as a guide to help you have some idea of the instruction and assessment of the Common Core Standards. Down below are key resources in the Common Core State Standards: Appendix A, Research Supporting the Key Elements; Appendix B, Text Exemplars; and Appendix C, Writing Samples and Annotations. Going down, this first one is an ELA checklist. It is a blank document so that you can compare your current curriculum's alignment to the Common Core State Standard. You just click on the view, and it will bring you to the form in Google Docs. There you can view it, make your own copy, and/or add it to your Google Drive. Continuing on, you can see the file folder with 0K through 5, another file folder with 6 through 8, and the last one 9 through 12, with each grade level below. Notice when you get to the 9 through 12, grade 9 is at the bottom. So let's click on grade 2. Here is the checklist that comes up. This is the standards checklist for second grade. The yellow highlighted area shows the standards that are addressed explicitly. Down the left-hand side of this checklist, you can see each of the second grade Common Core standards. Then going along the top row, you see the instructional focus codes. Let's go back, and I will select another grade. Let's try grade 6. Select View again, and another tab opens up. And notice that it's the same thing as second grade. Standards along the left, instructional focus codes going across the top row. Now, back over on the side here, we will click on ELA K through 12 Blueprints. Blueprints are designed to be a guide for you to plan how and when you will teach the Common Core Standards. Now, as we know, blueprints can be added to or changed. The same can be said for these Common Core blueprints. It is definitely a useful tool for you as the teacher to help you keep on track with your Common Core Standards. Okay, let's check out the kindergarten blueprint for ELA. Another tab opens up, and here is the blueprint in Google Docs. You can view it here, download and save, or even add it to your Google Drive. I like how the standards are defined here: anchor standards, explicit standards, and implicit standards. Below lists the instructional focus codes. Moving down, Here is the first instructional focus code with a suggested time frame of 6 weeks. Here is an explanation of the overall focus in that time frame. In the left column, you see the Common Core State Standard English Language Arts content. You can click to view the disaggregated standards for that instructional focus code. And here are the explicit standards. What I really love about this document are ideas on the right-hand column for educators called Content and Educator Notes. This area gives at least one outstanding lesson example for those explicit standards. By clicking on the lesson, it will take you to the details of the lesson on the My OER site. Back to the blueprint. Below this is an area for you to add your teacher ideas and links, which really makes this document user-friendly. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.